Go again, boys. Come on, Gino.
It's gonna be harder. It's gonna be harder.
There we go. Yep. Abraham, go up and show me how you jump down. Show me your special super fast jump slide. Wow. Yeah. Show me again because you didn't do it good that time. I want you to really jump. Wait for Gene to move. Whoa! Yep. That was a great one, yeah.